I sir.
When I'm
Look up, this the
what?
Yeah, man, pop to feed that. Yeah, man. How are you, stepfather? I must say. Grandmother feed that. Uncle feed that. Everybody feed that. No, man, grandma feed that, man. What you say? Uncle feed that too, man. Everybody.
We are Sharkies today. We're meeting up with 3 of our young guns. Dover, August 7th. Come on, follow me. Demar, good afternoon.
No.
We're getting ready. Congratulations on an excellent driving performance and display of competitiveness and sportsmanship at Jamaica. It was one of, if not the most exciting racing I've seen at Jamaica. Me personally, the Alan Gord, the Nicholas Barnes with the Evo and the yellow car, that was really, really good. But you, Nicholas, David and Tommy, that first MP2 race to me was the race of the day. I want to congratulate you on an excellent race. I also want to pick up Big Factory Food. Big up yourself.
Big up.
Boy, the lead crew, the 777 crew. Yo, big up on yourself. The loudest crew right now in circuit racing. What is the plan for August 7th?
Well, the car's at home. We never do anything to it, so just go and go on, right?
This is not only me saying. This is the fastest MP2 car I think ever. We've ever seen in Dover. Understand? The car is making the power. The car is reliable, and the car is driven, piloted properly. This is the car. This is the car to beat. At Dover, Demar, Tommy had the fastest time. With driving the car. Well, let's just go back. You took some time off. You built up the car, and the car is now being prepared by the Moody's. Spoon built the engine, and Moody is doing it. And now you're back, and you're back with a bang. Where do we go from here? The car's at home, the car's ready. I don't think you want to touch perfection. I don't think you want to any more power or handling. We did see some smoke. You want to tell your fans who were concerned?
The smoke was just the axle seal, so we're going to change that this week and just change the gearbox oil and then fit it back up, and then we're going to go and have a little practice and just make sure everything is good with the gearbox, and then we should be good.
I know you don't like the interview or anything, but who's your rival? Who's your rival? It's not only winning. You want to beat everybody, of course, but who's your rival?
Well, we have David Delapena, the man who writes name Pam Piston.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah,
man. A wicked man.
Yeah.
A wicked man. I remember seeing me, I said, boy, I'm brave.
Yeah. Look like I last name, you know, Delapena.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so I'm afraid for that.
It I get ahead of him.
Yeah.
So, we have him to kill, for sure.
Him gone?
Him gone. We have Nicholas Barnes.
Him have enough rival, you don't think?
No.
You think him for the good rival, but go on.
No, but that, after we class that, so all of them.
Right.
We have Tommy. So, we'll go for all of them.
Them dead.
Alright. Like that.
I don't think you can manage the car over still.
Which one car?
Tommy car.
Tommy car?
Yeah.
Oh.
It leads to that Dover, time when it's gonna. We leave it for the next interview.
We are gonna see that. We get to tie them now.
You get that?
Yeah. So we are gonna see.
So no, you know see.
Yeah.
All right. Well, the pilot of the infamous 77 car. This is it's undoubtable. The benchmark. Big up Spoon. The car is the car to beat. We are sick. We all love the car. We all love the sportsmanship. Enough people not going to believe that it's the commander. Understand? The pilot my machine, but I want to shout out to your sponsors.
Big up Total Tools, Auto Love, Fesco Golden Grove, Tata Towing, Uncle Chris, Daddy, everybody. Everybody.
You hear that? This is from Demar King 7. August 7th. Watch out for this car. Right? This is a car that's creating a whole heap of uproar since Jamaica Blaze and Fire. The man is ready. Access seal and change oil. Right? So come out August, come early. The MP2 is hot than fire. Right? You have 5 cars in MP2 that are everybody is on fire. And the man said, boy, get up in a dead. Man, you shouldn't write his name on piston, brother. Alright?
We have a special casket here up in place.
Up in place. Alright. Pick up on the side. Demar Lee. Remember the name. Yeah, I didn't tell you no. I didn't want to know. Big up Demar. Big up. JRDC 8763. We're doing this live from Sharkies. Want to big up the whole Sharkies crew. Ground Speed on the crew. 876 for making it here. And of course the JRDC. All our sponsors. All our members. Come out early August 7th. This MP2 race will be talked about for years to come. Oh.
All motor racing fans, the JRDC presents the Mobile One Independence of Speed on Monday, August 7th at the Dover Raceway in St. Anne. Gates open at 7 a.m. You don't want to miss the intense battles in the modified production class. The young guns will be burning up the track. The big guns will face off for supremacy. Don't you miss the motorcycle action from Jamaica's top bikers. Dover Raceway in St. Anne comes alive on August 7th. General admission 3,000, adult paddock 6,000, limited VIP 15,000, children under 12 1,000. So on August 7th, you can't afford to miss it. JRDC's Mobile One Racing Independence of Speed.